Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by accepting that Airpods use the Apple ID, so changing their email means changing the Apple ID address itself. First, unlock the device signed into the Apple ID tied to the Airpods and open Settings or visit Appleid. Apple.com. Once signed in, go to Account Edit. Enter the new email you want to use and verify it with the code Apple sends. Make sure to keep both devices nearby so you can confirm prompts and avoid disconnecting the Airpods during verification. Next, perform the actual email change. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then name, phone numbers, email, on Web Sign-In and Open Sign-In and Security. Tap Edit next to Reachable at, add the new email, then remove the old one if required. Apple will send a verification code to the new address. Enter that code immediately. Once confirmed, Apple updates your ID across devices. This is why you must keep the device with your Airpods signed in during the process to avoid temporary. Finally, complete the switch by signing back into iCloud on any device you temporarily signed out of. Once done, verify that Airpods are listed under Find My. If something goes wrong, first check the new email's inbox and spam folder for the verification code, request a resend, and ensure that email isn't already an Apple ID. If Airpods behave oddly after the change, restart your devices and, if necessary, remove and repair the Airpods to refresh the association with the updated Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.